This is a ThinkCentral tutorial video by SIS International School. ThinkCentral is a primary learning resource for students in grades KG to 6. This is a guide to help parents and students understand how to access and use the different resources in ThinkCentral. First, go to the SIS website at siscaro.com and scroll down to the different tabs and click on the ThinkCentral icon. Next, log in using the student's username and password that was given by the school. After students log into their account, they can access their ebooks, complete homework assignments, read learning material, look at interactive lessons related to a topic, play educational games, and more. How can students access their ebooks? All ebooks are located in my library. After logging into the account and choose the desired subject, English, Math, or Science, how can students listen to the audio of the e-text books? After students choose the page number they want to read or listen to, they should click on the audio icon, which can be found on the left side of the page. Are all student textbooks located online? Yes, all student textbooks can be located in my library. How can students access the homework assignments? Students can access their homework assignments by clicking on the Things to Do option that appears after students log into their accounts. How can a student know an assignment score? Students can find out their assignment scores by clicking on the My Scores option. How can a student know if the assignment has been completed and turned in? When the assignment has been completed and turned in, a green check will appear next to the assignment title. Where are the educational games that students can play? The educational games can be found in the Mathematics folder in my library. The Go Math, Animated Math Models and Mega Math make learning the different math concepts more interesting and easy to understand. Is there extra reading material available for students to read? Students can find all of the Journeys Leveled Reader books in the reading section of my library. After selecting reading as the subject, scroll down the page to Leveled Reader. Students have access to math concept readers, which are located in the Mathematics section. How do students benefit from the interactive lessons? The interactive lessons explain the concepts and topics in a student-friendly way. These interactive lessons provide students with more opportunities to explore the topic and encourage them to utilize their critical thinking and problem-solving skills. My student needs extra support in English. Which resources are available to provide this support? My library. The picture card bank, the sound, the vocabulary and context cards, and the Go Math Multimedia e-glossary gives students the definition of each math word along with a visual aid to help them understand. What are the Go Math? The STEM activities help students make a connection between the math and science lessons. Students are asked to solve questions related to real-life situations. Thanks for watching.